So the teachers are very important. Yes, we discussed that in the previous clip. In this particular video, we are going to talk about coordinating with people who have recently walked the path. The high achievers of your current class who are currently doing brilliantly well. You have to talk it out with them. You have to discuss it with them. What are they doing which you are not? Fine. You have to talk to them, what is their game plan for, preparing for the subject. And you have to, also talk to people, the previous high achievers who have done well in the previous years, in order to understand that what are the do's and don'ts for getting high grades. Fine. You need to see the past papers that have been attempted by some of the high achievers, and you need to use them as a benchmark for improving yourself. You cannot really do it on your own. If we are going to say that no, I have a very big ego and I am going to do it on my own and I am good enough. No one is ever good enough. You learn so many things from other people. So try to learn things from those people who have recently walked the path. Fine, the current high achievers of your class or the previous high achievers, which have, who have done well in the previous years, in previous recent years. So, ask them how to get there, fine, because they know how to get there. They have achieved the targets. They have, they know how to do that. So ask it from them. Fine. It's very important. You have to sometimes go to people who are achieving the targets rather than just doing what you have been doing. And a lot of students, what they do is they keep on moving in circles. They believe that they are increasing the level of work, but again when you are going to the people who know how to do it, you are working smartly now, not only working hard. So work smartly, go to people who are aware of what to do. Fine. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next clip.